Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hey friends, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. Look where we're at. Down here by the wood splitter. We've got quite a bit of rounds already ready. We've got some more rounds over there that I need to bring over, and then we got the excavator up here if we need to pick up some more logs and get those cut up. So
I have about 40 minutes before I have to go do an errand. So we're going to do a rick in 40 minutes, right?
We're going to split wood for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, folks, Cotton Top has got to go run an errand. I'm going to go ahead and be spitting a little bit
Well,
while you're
okay.
gone. So
Okay.
anyway, you be careful. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right.
I guess you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm figuring out where I want to put my deer blind. Deer season is coming up in a few days, and I want to be able to put a blind up here overlooking our pond. So I think I'm going to put it right over there. We use venison for our ground meat. Eat a lot of venison chili. So our freezer is getting low, so I need to plan on filling the freezer back up. I feel pretty good that's going to give me the view that I'm looking for. Let me check a couple of things, then I'll give you a view from inside. I'm sitting in the deer blind, and I think it's going to work out pretty good. It's a small blind, but for what I'm looking for, I think this will be fine. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you the view that I'm looking at. Okay, you can see out there, there's the pond, and up that way, you can see I got the gator parked there for right now. So deer normally travel this corridor right here. They come out of the woods right over here typically, and they come in and go down to the pond to have a drink. So I think this is going to be a perfect location. We'll just have to wait and see. I know that when I'm out here bush hogging the field, which is right up there, when I'm out here bush hogging, I see deer coming up and down here all the time. Well, folks, I didn't run out of gas. Well, in a way I did. But I want to pass on a secret that I found with this wood splitter here. And I'm sure this applies to a lot of other wood splitters. If you let a wood splitter set with the carburetor full of gasoline, chances are the next time you try to start it, it's going to be gummed up. Now, I do run premium gasoline, and that helps. But what I found that helps more than anything, when I get to the end of when I'm getting ready to stop splitting wood, I just turn the fuel off going to the carburetor. I let it run, and you notice it'll start spitting and sputtering, but it will burn all the gasoline out of the carburetor, and I never have to worry about the carburetor getting gummed up. I hope that tip was helpful to some of you out there. Anyway, got enough wood split to finish this rick here out. I'll go ahead and finish topping it off here in just a moment. But I do think this is probably a good time to end the video. Folks, thank you so much for taking your time to watching our videos. It means the world to us. So take care, God bless, and we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.